Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making hot chocolate pudding cake. No oven, completely eggless and filled with warm gooey chocolate inside. Perfect for chocolate lovers. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add half cup curd, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup oil. Mix well until smooth. Pudding cake have a soft soaked texture. Eggless cakes are just as moist. Sieve 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix gradually to the mixture. Cocoa powder deepens chocolate flavor. Sieve dry ingredients for smooth batter. Now add half cup milk slowly and mix well. Add milk gradually to avoid lumps. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Grease oil in a 7-inch glass mold. Pour the batter. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Now cook the cake for 20 to 25 minutes on medium-low heat. Keep aside. For hot chocolate milk, boil 1 cup milk. Add 3 tablespoons dark chocolate, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now for ganache. Mix 3 tablespoons chocolate with 2 tablespoons hot milk. Mix well. Make holes in the cake using a spoon. Pour hot chocolate milk over it. Pour chocolate milk while cake is warm. Add chocolate ganache. And sprinkle chocolate chips on top. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants. Homemade cakes avoid artificial preservatives. Portion control makes it balanced. Best enjoyed warm and fresh. Your hot chocolate pudding cake is rich, moist, and full of chocolate flavor. Serve warm for the best experience. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more eggless dessert.